All right, traders, a very warm welcome. I am Devang Mehra from The Financial Analyst, and I'm here to give you a quick update. You probably know why I'm here right now. Friday, I gave you all an update, I think Thursday. And you all must be remembering this video. It's called the multi-bagger trading idea. It's on public domain. I am not going to fabricate anything. 17th December 2020. It's on the public domain, and I said 21st December. This is 17th, please note. I said 21st December will be the top of the Indian financial markets. I gave you the exact level that markets will make a top of 13,780. It is on the public domain. You are free to see. And at this point of time, I got so many messages that, what kind of crap are you giving us? How can you predict such level? And I used the reference of WD Gann. And no one believed us at that time. They thought we were some people just trying to make some money on YouTube. But look at the date today. It is 21st December 2020, Monday. Markets made a top of 13,780 and all the global markets have crashed today. We predicted everything before it has happened. Currently from 780, markets have fallen down to 580. We have given you guys 200 points crash and we have given you guys ample time and accuracy to trade on it. Also, we gave you a simple idea to make the money and still no one believed. I'm going to show you that it's again on our community channel. We gave you that 13,000 March 2021 puts can be multi-bagger again 3 days ago, not today. And this same price was 205 and today that same thing has made an high of 252. 25% gain in a single day. Everything predicted, everything given to you all in advance. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you liked the analysis that we have done. I have a simple request to you guys. We also, by the way, gave you a call by 13,500 put. It was around 375. You can see that video currently around 430. It was a simple trade, no risk, nothing. But this is the analysis, the consistency our team at TFA is offering you. If you all are in our groups, give it a like, guys. Give it a thumbs up. I want you to do me a favor, right? We are starting out a YouTube journey. We have proved our results. Share our video as much as possible. Get it out to your friends. Show us the work. Show us them the work that we are putting in. Comment if you have made some money. Comment on this video if you like our analysis. We will be motivated and we'll be very, very thankful to you. And trust me, guys, I have tons and tons and tons of more trades to give you guys. Everything on public domain and everything at no cost. That's all about now. I'll see you in the post-market analysis. I hope you like the work that we are doing, the efforts that we are putting in for you day in and day out. I'll see you in some time. Thank you, guys. Good night.